Consumption stock doing extremely well. Nothing to show for on the Nifty. Just a 40-point downtick. If you looked at just the open and the close of the market, it wouldn't look like it's the budget day. But if you looked at the consumption stocks, it would look like, okay, apna time aa gaya. Is that how one would summarize the day?
Well, that's right. And if you looked at the railway stocks, you would say it was budget day because nothing came to them. And all those stocks, in fact, they went home with sharp cuts. Aircon was down close to 10%, RBNL down close to around 10%, IRFC as well. And actually, we got used to it in the last few budgets that something will come for the railways. This time around, they missed out, as Mangalam said. Consumption was the top gainer. You had some of these economy-facing companies, Capex, Defense, all of them did sell off in today's trading session.
Just one thing, guys. Mangalam said that this did not look like a budget day. Actually, if you go by the last two budgets, this looked exactly like the budget day on the Nifty. The reason is February 2024, which is before the election, right? The budget, the Nifty closed down 0.1%.
That was the interim budget.
Final July 2024. Minus 0.1.
Again, that was the first small budget.
And guess what the change is? 0.06% today. So in that sense, and I mean, go back to 2023 as well, I mean, 0.3% lower. So actually, last three budgets, there has been less than 0.5% change on the day of the budget. And actually, even intraday, the moves, I think today the intraday move is about, I don't know, 1.25%, 1.5%. But otherwise, it's been largely, maybe not even 1.5% today, but it's been very quiet on budget days for the last three, and I think now for the fourth budget as well. So I think we are done for the day. Markets ending slightly lower on a very, very kind of a tentative note, but not very much to take away one way or the other. Consumption, the clear leader, and of course the headline from the budget was the personal income tax cuts. And that too not without drama, because as the finance minister initially announced that 4.4 fiscal deficit number, markets assumed there's not going to be too much in terms of help on the taxes front, but she saved the best for the last with that personal income tax relief, which is amounting to about 1 lakh crores or so. From all of us here, it's goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. Prima.
Well, and before we go, let's just quickly tell our viewers that CNBC TV 18 is the #1 business news outlet even on YouTube. It's the most watched channel today on Budget Day among all the English business news outlets. So CNBC TV 18 has clocked in more than 3.3 lakh concurrent views on YouTube. And this is more than 40 times than our competitor. CNBC TV 18 continues to remain your budget headquarters for the last 25 years, and we would like to thank all our viewers for that. Thank you.